Hi, Shantae. This is EDOL721. I just finished reviewing the video by Simon Sinek titled How Great Leaders Inspire Vision. And just a little overview. So the video I found was just I loved it. It was great. He spent a lot of time talking about the law of diffusion versus innovation. And in that, he outlined the impact of the differences in organizations that choose to start from the core of identifying their whys versus those companies that are more prone to the outcome or trying to define the outcomes. So the way that Simon Sinek presented this concept was that we all, as individuals, as leaders, as organizations, have a responsibility to help others as well as ourselves define what motivates us. What is that core inside of us, that core value that we establish our mindset on? What ideas do we have in an organization? What culture do we want to present? And then using that information, taking it and saying, okay, how can we relate that to what we're trying to achieve, as opposed to the opposite, which is defining an outcome of what we want to achieve and then trying to figure out how it relates to people. And I just found this concept very valuable, whether you're a parent or an educator or any sort of in a business. I think that it's very important to understand what motivates us to do what we do. Because I feel like it's the motivation, it's those values that keep people continuing when things get hard, when it gets rough, when you understand what inside of you is contributing to that idea, to that goal, you own it, and then you're more willing to kind of move forward. So I really valued the message that Simon Sinek presented about defining the whys, defining why why organizations are operating the way they're operating, and making sure that your workforce understands that why. That is not just something that they hear, but that is something that they believe, is something that they can relate to in their own personal lives, and then using that as a means to kind of go out and achieve goals. So as I apply this message to my PCP, I kind of reflect back on when we started in October 2017. And the way we started was we had a team building session where everyone was able to kind of take time to reflect on what was valuable to them, what motivated them, what encouraged them, what kind of thing, what were their strengths, what were their weaknesses. And we used that data to come up with our TCP project, which was a working group. And that working group was responsible for taking a lot of the ideas and the principles that were identified as what the workforce valued, and using it to find new initiatives to help bring and encourage collaboration, communication, and increase morale in our organization. And I thought, okay, how wonderful that was when we started a year ago. And this helped me to remember that, maybe it might be time to come together again and just kind of reflect on those values to make sure that we're still operating according to what people need now, because people change and their values could somewhat change. Maybe they don't shift greatly, but they might shift a little bit. And just wanting to make sure that, as we as a TCLT team operate together as a unit, it's more important to make sure that we still are recognizing each other's values and ensuring that we're committed to the process, because the process is committed to helping us as well achieve the things that we deem as important. So I definitely think that the video is going to assist me moving forward with my TCP and being able to just communicate better and help encourage or keep that motivation going for my team, and just kind of bringing it back to a more personal idea or concept, and making sure that everybody understands why we operate the way we operate and how we're operating affects or helps them achieve not only their personal goals, but our goals as a team. So thank you, Dr. Ainsworth. Great, great assignment. And I appreciate the opportunity to be able to watch that video. Thank you.